I made this black detox body scrub with activated charcoal and sugar. It polishes the skin gently and turns into a cleansing cream upon contact with water. Do you want to know how to make this black detox scrub yourself? Let me show you. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Olga Larnaudie. I'm a certified cosmetic chemist and natural cosmetics formulator. Here on my channel I share my recipes and my ideas. You'll find a lot of different video tutorials here, so if you want to learn how to make your own beauty products at home, don't forget to subscribe. Very soon we all are going to look for Christmas gift ideas, and believe me, this black detox charcoal body scrub makes it perfect gift. It looks lovely in a jar. It actually looks like a black caviar, and it smells amazing and it's very pleasant to use. Try making it as a gift to your friends and family. I'm sure they're gonna love it. So first we'll make a scrub base, which is basically a mix of oils and an emulsifier. In a chocolate melter, I'm going to weigh my acetyl alcohol, coconut oil, polyglycerol 4, oleate and polysorbate 20. Those are our emulsifiers. I'm also gonna add a broad spectrum oil soluble preservative and activated charcoal powder. Instead of charcoal, you can also use any kind of cosmetic clay, for example pink clay or yellow clay. It will look lovely too. Where to buy all those ingredients? Emulsifiers, acetyl alcohol, preservative? Well, you can easily order it on different websites, and I'm gonna leave you all the useful links in the text box below this video. These are our oils and emulsifiers. Now I'm gonna put it on a warm water bath and melt it, and while they're melting I'm gonna weight the rest of my ingredients. You can see that our base is ready and it's liquid and homogeneous. I will take some vitamin E. It will protect the oils and essential oils in my scrub from oxidation, and I'm gonna add a few drops of essential oils of choice. I love grapefruit essential oil and peppermint essential oil for this project. I will let it cool slightly. It needs to cool down to at least 50 degrees Celsius. You can check the temperature on your wrist. The mixture should not be too hot. And now I'm gonna add sugar and mix everything thoroughly. I like dense texture of the scrub. I think it polishes better, but if you prefer more liquid texture, then you can slightly reduce the amount of sugar. And if you make it as a gift, don't forget to put it into a nice looking jar with a lovely label where you can put all your best wishes. If you still have any questions, please feel free to ask me in the comments below this video. I will be happy to advise. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet, and see you next time.